it is Dani'i and welcome to this update video. I really hope you're doing amazing this morning, and we're going to be taking a look at what is going on across the North Atlantic Basin. So there is a stationary front that extends in the Caribbean, and ahead of it is a trough, a surface trough. And that has been influencing the weather for the Lesser Antilles, bringing a lot of heavy rain, thunderstorms as well. I've been seeing your comments from various islands in the Lesser Antilles. So it's been bringing impacts, and even now impacts continue in some areas. So we're going to be taking a look at that today, as well as what is going to be happening as we head into the course of the next couple of days. And let's get straight to the details. All right, and here we can see the satellite imagery here. There's another frontal system about to make its way down from the U.S. We can see that increase and all that shower and thunderstorm activity in the Gulf, spreading into parts of the Gulf Coast states. And there's that frontal system which extends into the Caribbean. And here we're looking at this graphic as well. Now this is a surface chart. So that symbol represents a cold front where we see those blue triangles. But when we see those red semicircles on the opposite side, that indicates that the front is stationary at, the particular area. So the front is stationary as it extends into the Caribbean. And there you can see that dashed line ahead of it indicating the trough. So that trough, a trough overall, that is an elongated area of low atmospheric pressure. And typically this helps to result in more rising air motion, which helps with the formation of clouds to bring all that rainfall activity, the thunderstorms as well. So that is what is going on. As I said, let's zoom into the Caribbean. We can see all of this color around indicating the convection. So there's been some periods of heavy rain across the various islands, Grenada, the Grenadines, even parts of Trinidad and Tobago as well have experienced some showers, maybe Barbados, St. Lucia. So you can let me know what's been happening for your area. Elsewhere across the Caribbean, nothing much is going on this morning. And as we look at the rainfall forecast for today, let's see what is expected. There we go. More color indicates more rain. Now take a look at much of the northern islands. So Cuba, the Cayman Islands, Jamaica, Hispaniola, parts of Puerto Rico and the Virgin Islands, up to the Bahamas, Turks and Caicos. Notice that there's barely any color around. So maybe just a stray shower at the most throughout the day for a few spots, but nothing much is expected. Today is going to be pretty calm, pretty sunny day as well. But then we start to see more color as we head towards Lesser Antilles, Anguilla, all the way down through Trinidad and Tobago, including Barbados. So there's likely to be some increased, additional showers and thunderstorms within the area, especially with that trough we turn around. And then near the ABC Islands, there is the tail of that front. So there could be some showers nearby. As we head to northern South America, Colombia will likely be quite active. We see those very colorful shadings. So it's going to be active with a lot of heavy rain possible today, even for parts of Venezuela. But as we head to the Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana, there may not be a whole lot of rainfall activity today, but some showers are definitely possible. Going to parts of Panama, Costa Rica, and even up to Guatemala, we can see that it gets a bit colorful in some areas as well. Some heavy downpours are definitely possible. That's essentially what is expected across the Caribbean. It's mostly the eastern islands that will experience some decent rainfall at times, but the northern islands will likely be on the drier side for the most part today, with a few passing showers possible. Now, with that next frontal system making its way down from the U.S., there is going to be that cool air coming down behind the frontal boundary, and that is going to help to decrease temperatures for parts of the Caribbean, especially the North and Western Caribbean. So here we can even see it on this run off the GFS model as we're going to be heading into Thursday, going into Friday and the weekend. We can see these blue shadings spread into parts of the Northern Caribbean and even for the Bahamas and Turks and Caicos. So we're going to have some below normal temperatures within the area as that frontal system makes its way down. And we're going to be seeing this recurring maybe week after week or so for parts of the Caribbean, because we're heading to that time of year, guys. So the frontal systems, they usually make their way down. They they result in those rougher seas, and ahead of the stronger front, there's a lot of rain, a lot of thunderstorm activity. And then when the front passes, we typically have a lot of cooler temperatures setting within the area, maybe for a few days or so. So that is what is going on, guys. That's what is expected as well, with that next frontal system to make its way to the Caribbean. And of course, I'm going to be keeping you guys posted in terms of all the details regarding what is going on out there. So it's not just in terms of tropical cyclone activity, but here we're heading to the time of year where it's not so much about tropical storms and hurricanes, but it's going to start to be about those northern systems coming down. So I'm going to keep you guys posted as per usual. In terms of tropical cyclone activity, nothing new is marked, nothing new is expected to form within the next couple of days, and I'll keep you posted. So I hope you found this update to be informative. However, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. I'll respond to you when I have the chance to do so. And remember to always be weatherwise.